Is your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo and won't turn on? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to fix it, even if you're not a tech expert. This problem usually occurs after a failed update, a system crash, or software errors. When this happens, your iPhone gets stuck on the Apple logo and won't boot up normally. The good news is, there are a couple of ways to fix this. Let's start with a simple fix, a force restart. This method involves 3 simple steps. 1. Press and quickly release the volume up button. 2. Press and quickly release the volume down button. 3. Press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Let's try it. After that short process, we must wait for our iPhone to turn on normally. If that doesn't work, you can use a professional tool like the one I'm showing you in this video. It's ReiBoot from Tenorshare. ReiBoot for iOS helps fix iOS system problems without data loss in most cases. This tool makes solving these problems much easier. The first thing we need to do is go to the official ReiBoot website on Tenorshare. I'll leave the link in the video description. Here we can see that it's compatible with the latest iOS version. You can see that this software includes an AI repair feature that fixes more than 150 iOS and iPadOS system problems. And right here we can see some of the problems that ReiBoot can fix, such as my iPhone won't turn on, frozen screen, or stuck on the Apple logo, which is what we'll be looking at in the video. This software will also help you exit recovery mode without losing your data. ReiBoot also allows you to easily update and downgrade iOS, iPadOS, and macOS systems. And that's just part of what you can do with this software. But anyway, the first thing we need to do is download and install ReiBoot on our PC. After installation, we need to connect the iPhone to our computer to begin the recovery process. Open the software, and this will be the interface. Now click the green Start Repair button. After clicking, you'll have 2 options. The first is Standard Repair, which can fix many problems without data loss. And the second is Deep Repair, which can fix more serious iOS system problems but may cause data loss. In this case, we'll do a Standard Repair. Click it, and if your device isn't detected, you should change the cable to the original one or enter recovery mode. Here you can see that my iPhone has been detected, and there's a firmware available. Download it and wait for it to finish. Once it's finished, start the standard repair. Once the repair is complete, the problem will be solved, and you'll see that your iPhone will return to its normal state without any data loss. And that's it. If you have similar problems, you can find the download link in the video description, where you can try ReiBoot and explore the potential of this tool. And for now, that's all for this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. See you later. Goodbye.